My name's George Tetzel. I've been washing cars for just over 18 years. We started using Synergy Solutions chemicals about a little over a year ago and have seen a big difference in how the cars look. Our customers are really happy and we're really happy. What I like about Synergy is that they are really on the front edge of innovation. So one thing that Synergy Solutions does, they do a lot of things well, but one thing I really like, it saves me a lot of money on shipping, is they've concentrated all their solutions. And so I can get, several months worth of product on one pallet, which saves me. I'm not shipping water across the country. Well, we just heard about how innovative they are, how much time they put in the lab, and that's really important because I didn't realize when I got started in the car wash business that I needed a chemistry degree to be a car wash attendant. But I don't have to be since I've got Synergy Solutions as my partner. I recommend them to all my customers because it's an easy process to set up. Synergy gives us great customer support, and they come and help us get everything titrated. They give us the titration kits, and it allows me to teach my customers how to be a better operator because they can see exactly how the chemicals are titrated and where they need to be to get cars clean. I think the service is top notch. You call them, they answer the phone, you tell them you have a problem, they tell you what to do, and if you need them, they'll show up.